Good morning, students. Today's topic spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means production. Spermatogenesis means production of sperm that already so many times we have discussed. Spermatogenesis includes some concept. We have to see that definition of spermatogenesis, process of spermatogenesis, hormones of spermatogenesis, duration of spermatogenesis, cells of spermatogenesis, and one major hormones are involved in spermatogenesis, that is testosterone. First, we have to see the definition of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is a sequence of events in the seminiferous tubules of the testes that produce the male gamete, that is the sperm. Once again, spermatogenesis is a sequence of events in the seminiferous tubules of the testes that produce the male gamete, that is the sperm. Okay, next, process of spermatogenesis. There are three processes in spermatogenesis, that is multiplication phase, growth phase, and maturation phase. Three phases. Okay, next, hormones of spermatogenesis. One major hormone produced on the puberty, that is gonadotropin releasing hormone. Next, this gonadotropin releasing hormone initiate the anterior pituitary gland to produce two hormones, that is follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Next, the duration of the spermatogenesis, onset of puberty to the end of spermatogenesis, 64 days will taken. Next, cells of spermatogenesis are Sertoli cells and Leydig cells. Next, all over the spermatogenesis, one hormone is involved, that is testosterone. First, we have to see about the step-by-step process of spermatogenesis. See that already I told multiplication phase, again growth phase, maturation phase. We have to discuss that phase. Okay. First phase, in the seminiferous tubule, one important cell will be produced, that is immature germ cell or spermatogonia or sperm mother cell. That immature sperm cells are produced from the seminiferous tubules that undergo the meiotic division to produce primary spermatocyte. This division is called multiplication division, and this division is called meiotic division. This phase is called multiplication phase. Okay, here the mother spermatogonia and primary spermatocytes are diploid in nature. Again, the primary spermatocytes are converted into meiosis 1 division. As a result, secondary spermatocyte will be produced. Here, the diploid gamete is converted into haploid gamete. Diploid gamete is converted into haploid gamete. That is, diploid gamete is primary spermatocyte, haploid gamete is secondary spermatocyte. This process is called as growth phase. Again, the secondary spermatocyte undergo meiotic 2 division. There, the haploid spermatocytes are converted into haploid spermatid. Okay, spermatocytes are converted into spermatid. This process is called spermiogenesis. Yes, secondary spermatocyte are converted into spermatid. Again, the spermatid undergoes spermiogenesis. What is spermiogenesis means? The spermatid is converted into spermatozoa. This process is called maturation phase. See that the spermatozoa is converted into spermatid. Okay, one human being produces one day 200 million sperm. Once again, one human being produces 200 million sperm per day. Okay, ma? Next, listen to me. The spermiogenesis is otherwise called as spermiation, that is spermatozoa production. Now we will come to the hormone aspect. Here, the gonadotropin releasing hormone initiates the anterior pituitary to produces two hormones, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Now we have to listen the functions of hormones. Follicle stimulating hormone stimulate the testicular growth and enhances the production of Sertoli cells. testes also will be grow. Again, they enhances the production of Sertoli cells, that is the supporting cells of the sperm. It gives nourishment of the sperm cells. Next we have to discuss about that the luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone synthesizes the testosterone hormone. This is the major hormone to respond the production of sperm cells. Next, testosterone hormone. This testosterone hormone is responsible for Sertoli cells and Leydig cells. These Sertoli cells and Leydig cells are used to support the spermatogenesis. Okay. Once again, I summarize the important aspect. Spermatogenesis means sperm production. Here some hormones also involved. Then some phases also involved, that is multiplication phase, growth phase and maturation phase. The division is mainly meiotic division. Here what is the basic concept means diploid spermatogonia is converted into haploid spermatid. Okay, this is the events of spermatogenesis. You have to read the book again and again and clearly study about the process of spermatogenesis. I hope you are all understood. We will meet the next class.